Hello everyone, welcome again. In this video we will know how to remove access for another user. This is our first user. We have created a bucket and upload an object, and this is the second user who has viewer rule and can see the file in the bucket. So to remove the access for the second username, we have to go back to Cloud and IAM and search for the second user, this user, and he has a viewer rule, and click on this icon, then click on this trash icon and click on save. So we have updated our policy, our viewer access for the second username, and you can back now to the second username and click on refresh, and it will take about 80 seconds to update this action. So let's go back to the second user and click on refresh, and yes, as you can see, failed to load because the first user removes the access for the second one. So this is how you can remove an access from a user to another user. This is all for this video. We will learn in the next video how to generate another permission for this user again. Thank you, and meet you in the next video. Bye bye.